स्टूडेंट्स जनरली मेमोराइज द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन, बट आज हम लोग इसको एग्जाम्पल्स के थ्रू समझेंगे. सो ट्राई टू वॉच टिल द एंड, क्योंकि एट द एंड आप डेफिनेटली इसको खुद से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम्स अंडर प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. लेट्स वेलकम टू माय चैनल ARSGY मैथ्स. आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं व्हाट आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज आवर closure property. So what closure property says, if a by b and c by d are two rational number, then a by b into c by d is also a rational number. That means 3 by 4 into 5 by 7 if we'll take as an example. So let's see what we'll get here. 3 into 5 which is 15 by denominator 4 into 7 which is 28. This is also a rational number. This is a by b, this is c by d, this is one new number, that means product of these two. This is also a rational number. So let's come to second property, which is our commutative law. What commutative law says, a by b into c by d is equal to c by d into a by b. That means, so let's understand through an example. अगर here हम लोग लेंगे -4/7 is a by b and c by d is our 3/11. So let's see how to write this. -4/7 into 3/11 is equal to, just we will change the order here, right? 3/11 into -4/7. So ये हो गया हमारा LHS, ये हो गया हमारा RHS. So LHS is equal to minus into plus minus 12 by 7 into 11 is 77. Similarly अगर हम RHS की बात करते हैं तो देखिए प्लस इंटू माइनस इज माइनस, -3 into 4 12 by 77. ओके, 11 into 7 is 77. So ये हो गया हमारा कम्यूटेटिव लॉ. दैट मीन्स if we change the order then also value remain same. Third property is our associative law. What is associative law? A by b into c by d within bracket into e by f is equal to a by b into within bracket c by d into e by f. That means we change the group here. After changing the group also, LHS and RHS value remains same. So let's take an example, a by b, c by d and e by f. How to write this? -5/2 into -7/4 into 1/3 is equal to, a by b is our -5/2 into -7/4 into 1/3. Here we change the order. So let's find for LHS first. Within bracket we have to solve first. So minus plus 35/8 into, देखिए 1/3 हो गया. सो क्या हो गया, मिल रहा है हमें 35/24. सिमिलरली फॉर RHS, -5/2 into, within bracket we'll solve, minus into plus which is -7, 4 into 3 which is 12. So -5 into -7 again 35/24. See, both sides are equal value. 35/24, RHS भी हमें क्या मिला, 35/24. That means both sides are equal. So how to write here? At the end we have to write, since LHS is equal to RHS, it is verified. Okay, so ये हो गया हमारा associative law. Next come to distributive law. Distributive law of multiplication. See, here I have written two types. Okay, one is a by b into c by d plus e by f is equal to a by b into c by d plus a by b into e by f. Next, a by b into c by d minus e by f within bracket is equal to a by b into c by d minus a by b into e by f. If you will observe properly, what difference you will get here? देखिए इधर प्लस है, इधर माइनस है. दैट मीन्स फर्स्ट वन इज आवर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन अंडर एडिशन. अगर हम सेकंड की बात करते हैं तो क्योंकि माइनस दिया हुआ है तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन अंडर सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस? अगर ये राइट साइड की बात करते हैं, इसमें फर्स्ट में देखिए, first we have to multiply these two, then plus symbol as it is we have to keep. then a by b into e by f. Similarly for subtraction also. So let's solve first part under addition. So what are the examples? Minus 3 by 4, 2 by 3 and minus 5 by 6. So first, what is a by b? Minus 3 by 4 into c by d is 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6 is equal to minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. See, plus, so plus we have to write again a by b, which is minus 3 by 4 into e by f, means minus 5 by 6. ये हो गया हमारा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन अंडर एडिशन. नाउ वी हैव टू प्रूफ दिस. सो हाउ टू प्रूफ? लेट्स राइट फर्स्ट LHS. First we have to solve the bracket. So write minus 3 by 4 into LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4 plus 6 1s are 6 and minus 5. Okay. See, minus 3 by 4 into minus 1 by 6, which is minus into minus plus हो गया 3 by 24. If we'll simplify, we'll get 1 by 8. Okay. So ये हो गया हमारा LHS part. Next, see RHS. So minus 3 into 2, which is minus 6 by 4 into 3, 12 plus minus minus plus 15 by 24. Now see 12 and 24. What is the LCM? 24. 12 2s are 24, 6 2s are 12, minus 12 plus 24 1, 15 1s are 15. So see, minus 12 plus 15. Now what we will get here? 3 by 24. अगर हम सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं तो क्या मिलेगा? 1 by 8. Now compare both LHS and RHS side. It is 1 by 8 and this is also 1 by 8. So इधर कैसे हम conclude कर सकते हैं इसको? Since LHS is equal to RHS, so it is verified. तो इधर क्या है देखिए, क्वेश्चन दिया होगा आपको, क्वेश्चन will be given like this. We have to verify under which law we have to mention also. So if we find a by b, c by d and e by f and symbols are changed here, see here multiplication and here if either positive or negative, then it comes under our distributive law of multiplication. So like this we have to identify and verify. Next, come to multiplicative identity. A number when multiplied by 1 does not change the value. So let's take an let a by b is a rational number. If we'll multiply with 1, 1 into a by b is equal to what we'll get? A by b. That means here 1 is called as our multiplicative identity. Let's take an example. अगर हम 3 by 5 लेते हैं, इसके साथ एक मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा हमें? 3 by 5. So this one is called as your multiplicative identity. Okay. So next come to multiplicative inverse. Product of two rational numbers is always 1. That means 4 by 5 में लेती हूँ, इसके साथ क्या मुझे मल्टीप्लाई करना है इधर, so that answer will be 1. Can you say? 4 by 5. अगर हम इसका रेसिप्रोकल लेते हैं 5 by 4, definitely we'll get 1 क्योंकि 4 and 4, 5 and 5 will be cancelled here. So we'll get 1. That means this 5 by 4 is called as the multiplicative inverse of 4 by 5. So a by b अगर rational number है तो b by a is the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of a by b. Clear? So next come to multiplicative property of 0. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर लेते हैं तो उसके साथ 0 मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो डेफिनेटली हमें 0 मिलेगा. So this is under multiplicative property of 0. So these all are the different properties of multiplication for rational numbers. So that's all for today. I hope you are clear about this topic. अगर आपको कुछ भी डाउट है तो आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर कमेंट कीजिए, क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं, तो डेफिनेटली आई विल सॉल्व दैट. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my video ARSGYMATH.